Great. Welcome to Hawking Galaxy. As I've told you, I've covered perfect coupling. Okay. This was I covered in the previous video. Now I will cover perfect coupling. Okay. Perfect coupling. When the entire flux due to primary coil linked with the secondary coil is known as perfect coupling. That is mutual inductance is maximum. As for secondary coil. So that is mutual inductance is maximum. Mutual inductance is maximum. So it is known as perfect coupling. What is perfect coupling? If the mutual inductance is maximum, M is maximum in the perfect coupling, then it is perfect coupling. Okay. Perfect coupling is when the mutual inductance is maximum. Now I will cover some specific cases. There are some specific cases. Okay. Like let us conclude that there is a coil. It's a coil. Okay. And there is also a coil. Okay, this is our primary coil and it is producing current, and the current to the secondary coil is linked. This is our galvanometer. So these coils are placed mutually perpendicular, as it is the axis. These are placed mutually perpendicular, so that way M will be minimum. M mutual inductance will be minimum in the case when they are perpendicular. Means when they are perpendicular, then the mutual inductance would be minimum. This is your first case. First case is what is perpendicular wala case है पहला case. Now second case, let us watch the second case. What is second case? If they are put it coaxially, if they are put it coaxially, if I have put it coaxially, then what we get to know? I will tell you. That is current. This is primary. This is secondary. Now these are placed coaxially. Okay. So M is in this case M is intermediate. If the coil have separated coaxially, M is intermediate. So M will be intermediate when these coils are coaxially. When these coils are coaxial, and I am showing you a case in which you will get to know the perfect coupling. There is also a case. I'll show you. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you the perfect coupling case. Perfect coupling case. Perfect coupling case. Perfect coupling case. Okay. Let this be a solenoid. What is this? This be a solenoid. This is a my drawing is not so good, it's very poor, so don't mind it. Okay, this is current, that is let this be the primary coil, and this be the number of turns on this solenoid, and we have to make a secondary coil also through which this current linked. Okay, I have made it. I did it. Yes, I did it. This is our galvanometer, and this is our secondary coil, and this is our primary coil. So in this case, M would be maximum. This is the case of perfect coupling. What is the case? This is the case of maximum perfect coupling. Maximum if coil are wounded, closely wounded, और इसे क्या कहते हैं? परफेक्ट कपलिंग भी कहते हैं. परफेक्ट कपलिंग का केस हो गया ये. If the coils are closely wounded like this, then it's a case of perfect coupling. Okay, these were all the cases that I have told you. Now there is a last thing which that is left. That is the mutual inductance of two long solenoid. that I would cover in the next video. Because जो होता है ना, टाइम ड्यूरेशन ज़्यादा बढ़ने से भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो छोटी छोटी वीडियो डालना इज़ मच बेटर rather than making 13-14 minutes 15-17 minutes video. Okay, so thank you those who are watching. Please subscribe my channel. Like, I have covered a lots of topic and lots of things. You will just watch the channel, you would definitely get to know that I've covered very much things, okay, for the board exams. Okay, so subscribe my channel. I will cover the next part. If I have missed something, then definitely told me in the comment video, written in the comment box that I have missed this. I will definitely cover that. Whereas, so I have never not missed anything that is related to board. Okay, so thank you and subscribe my channel. Thank you.